There are a few times you'll get notifications in Fizzy. If you're assigned a card, you're @mentioned, there's activity on a board or a card you're watching, or a new card is added to a board you're watching. Notifications are stacked up on the bottom right of the page, and you can get to them no matter where you are in Fizzy. Just click the stack to pop them open, or use keyboard shortcut N. To clear a notification, mouse over it and hit the X. Click through to see a card in more detail. Or click the bell icon to see more notifications, including ones you've previously seen. To update your notification settings, head to your Fizzy menu, then Notification Settings, or hit the gear icon from the notification tray. Pick which boards you're notified about by tapping the bell. You can also enable push notifications and decide how often you'll receive notifications by email. For additional customization, turn on or off notifications for individual cards. Maybe there's a card you want updates about, but you don't need to watch the entire board. With the card open, just click the bell icon. And to get notified when a new card has been added to a board, click Watch This at the top of the Maybe column.